guys, it's Jamie with JVI Secret Gardens, and today I wanted to do a quick video on how we price our pond cleanings. I've been cleaning ponds here for a little over a year, which doesn't sound like long, but I've cleaned a lot of ponds. Typically what I do when you reach out and you say, hey, my pond needs cleaning, can you guys come out and clean it? I say, will you send me a few pictures? And from those pictures, I'm pretty good about getting you a price, and I can say, yes, we can get that cleaned up for you for X amount of dollars. However, there are some occasions where I completely miss the mark, and that's on me. But I'm gonna show you one of these occasions and why sometimes the price can fluctuate once we get to your property and get your pond cleaned and see what we're dealing with. Come on. Take, for instance, this pond. Once we got it drained, we realized there's matter down here like this decomposing leaf matter. Really, the only way to get that out is manually, either picking it up by hand or shop backing it out. We had no idea it was this thick or this sludgy. You can hear our pump is struggling over here. And this is a solids handling pump, especially made for clean outs. There was no way to know what was in this pond until we got it drained. So pictures or even a site visit, if we came out, we would not be able to tell that this was here. Knowing the amount of manual labor that it's gonna take to get all of this out and get this pond clean and looking good again, this very well might stretch into a second day. Second day, more time, more labor, and unfortunately that's a little bit more cost to the homeowner. It's something that we can't avoid. We try to, but it's one of those, it comes with the job. Sometimes you drain a pond and you don't realize what you've gotten yourself into, and that's what we've got here. We're definitely gonna get it cleaned. It just might take us a little bit longer than usual, and that's okay. Another factor in this pond is all of this sludge. You can see, it's just, you can't really tell, but this is all mud and grime and just years of caked on debris. This is where we started, and this over here is where we want it to be. Understandably, going from this to that takes a little bit of time, takes quite a bit of manpower and labor, and then winds up adding to the amount of time and thus the amount of the cleaning price. Unfortunately, the only way to do it is just to get in here and get dirty, and we don't mind doing that at all. We want your pond to be clean. Please know we work as hard as we can. We've got tips and tricks from cleaning years of ponds under our belt, so we're doing the best we can because we don't want this. We want your pond to look like this. We want it to be pretty. That's what we're here for. And then we've got the debris removal. We obviously don't want to leave a pile of this in your yard, so we're going to take steps to get it out of your site. In our case today, we're lucky. We've got a wooded area back here behind the homeowner's home. They don't go back there very often, so we're able to dispose of all of this way back there. They'll never see it again. Sometimes we're not that lucky. Sometimes we're in the middle of a city and we don't have a place to put it where it's not going to be in the way for someone, either the homeowner, the neighbor, the HOA, etc. So we have to take it with us. That involves getting it to our van, possibly wheelbarrowing it to our truck, and then we've got to get rid of it when we get back. So it's just another factor to consider. You know, we don't want to leave this here. We want to leave your pond clean, but we also want to leave the rest of your property clean as well. So that's another factor that plays into getting your pond clean and could sometimes lead to longer cleaning times. There you have it, y'all. These are just some of the obstacles we can run into. Obviously, there are many, many more. There's probably obstacles out there that I haven't even run into yet. And I do this 40 hours a week, like every week. So that being said, we work as hard and as efficiently as possible. Sometimes you just don't know what's under there till you get the water drained out. And in the meantime, while you're waiting for us to come clean your pond, y'all know the drill. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you've got questions or horror stories of your own from pond cleaning experiences, drop them down in the comments and we can commiserate together. Until then, I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll see you soon. This is Jamie with JVI Secret Gardens.